Hi everyone, ngai. Welcome to my new video. Today's topic is on romantic sentences. We're going to learn few romantic sentences in Lingala. Tukoyekola ndenge ya kuchali toi na Lingala. Bamaloba ya kitoko ya kukumisa mutu ya kuchali toi na Lingala. So that's what we call romantic sentences. We have few sentences. I'm gonna read them fast. Just listen. Number 1. Oza kitoko makasi. Oza kitoko makasi. It means you are extremely beautiful. So you are beautiful. You are a beautiful person. You are a handsome man. In a sentence, you could say, Mart oza kitoko makasi. Ben oza kitoko makasi. Means, Mart, you are beautiful. You are extremely beautiful. Number 2. Oza nyonso mpona ngai. Oza nyonso mpona ngai. Means you are my everything. In a sentence you could say, Mart oza nyonso mpona ngai. Paul oza nyonso mpona ngai. Which means, Paul, you are my everything. Mart, you are my everything. The next one, number 3. Oza motema na ngai. Oza motema na ngai. Which means you are my heart. And in a sentence you could say, Mart oza motema na ngai. Or Debrina oza motema na ngai. Which means, Debrina, you are my heart. Number 4. Na sepelaka na misu na yo. Na sepelaka na misu na yo. Na sepelaka na misu na yo. It means, I love your eyes. And in a sentence you can say, oh Mart, na sepelaka na misu na yo. Paul, na sepelaka na misu na yo. Na sepelaka means I love or I like. So the next one, number 5. Na sepeli na seka na yo. Na sepeli na seka na yo. It means I like your smile. You could also say na sepelaka na seka na yo. Na sepeli na seka na yo or na sepelaka na seka na yo. They both mean I like your smile. You can say, in example, you can say, Nathan na sepelaka na seka na yo. Or Nathan na sepeli na seka na yo. I like the way you smile. Number 6. Na sepelaka na yo mingi. Na sepelaka na yo mingi. It means I really love you. Or I love you. I really love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. And in a sentence you could say, you just say the name of the person, and then you could say, Mart na sepelaka na yo mingi. Or Nathan na sepelaka na yo mingi. So Nathan, I really love you. Okay, the next one. Yamba ngai na motema na yo. Yamba ngai na motema na yo. Which means, welcome me into your heart. So open your heart, welcome me. In a sentence you could say, Debrina, yamba ngai na motema na yo. Which means, Debrina, welcome me in your heart, please. Number 8. Okoki bala ngai. Okoki bala ngai. It means, would you marry me? So again, you say the name of the person and ask them if they could marry you. Nathan, okoki bala ngai. Marion, okoki bala ngai. So which means, Nathan, would you marry me? Number 9. Oza bolingo na ngai. Oza bolingo na ngai. Means, you are my love. Bolingo means love. And in a sentence, again, you have to say the name of the person and then you add the sentence. Nathan, oza bolingo na ngai. Marion, oza bolingo na ngai. So means, Nathan, you are my love. Number 10. Na lingi yo neti na kufa. Na lingi yo neti na kufa. Which means, I love you to death. So, Nathan na lingi yo neti na kufa. I really love you to death. So, number 11. Nako koka kozanga yote. Nako koka kozanga yote. Nako koka kozanga yote. Which means, I will not bear to lose you. Nathan nako koka kozanga yote. And the last one, number 12. Nako kufa soki o tiki ngai. Nako kufa soki o tiki ngai. Which means I will die if you leave me. Nathan nako kufa soki o tiki ngai. So that's it. That's it for today. That's the end. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.